Echoes of Robert Lee Frost. A Journey Through the Ordinary. Listen to the story carefully. Story 44. The Trial by Existence. I trudged along the narrow path at dawn, earth cold beneath my boots, heart heavy with questions I could not answer. Each step pressed into mud, each breath visible in the crisp air, reminding me how small and fleeting life feels. Stones rolled underfoot, roots tripped my stride, and I wondered if the world itself tests us, measuring patience, courage, and resolve. Birds called. Distant, indifferent, wind swept through bare trees, shaking leaves I hadn't noticed. I kept walking, hands aching, thoughts spinning, realizing that survival isn't just about body or skill, but bearing the weight of thought, loss, and hope all at once. By sunset, I reached a hilltop, looking back at the valley I had crossed, chest tight yet steady, knowing existence itself is the trial. Relentless and impartial, teaching endurance, humility, and quiet triumph in every struggle. Now listen to the poem. Dawn breaks. Boots sink in cold, steps press mud, heart feels bold. Breath rises, small and brief, life measures patience, courage, grief. Stones roll, roots trip stride, world tests all who move inside. Birds call distant, wind shakes trees, leaves fall unnoticed with the breeze. Hands ache, thoughts swirl and spin, survival weighs both loss and win. Sunset shows the path behind, chest steady, lessons signed. Existence trials, relentless, true, endurance, humility, quietly renew.